Oh, how cute. Look how she's holding it. Doing a little dental floss too. I'm gonna try that with my cat, see if he does anything with it.
Callie the dummy loves to be combed.
The dummy.
I know, right? But she won't hold it.
Oh, you look so pretty.
She's like, you don't do it good enough. Give it to me.
She's used to doing it out here.
She's doing a teeth. No.
Flossing.
Are you flossing?
When she picks her head.
Yeah. And the other one doesn't comb herself.
No,
She
you
does.
have to do her.
I love my comb. I just love it. Oh.
It's like, give it back.
That is the cutest thing. Are you flossing? You look beautiful.
She's like, I gotta get in between those fangs.
You want perfume? Perfume and some body lotion. How long has she been doing this? Assume position. Let me just flip you. Okay, I'm done. How pretty. Chicklet, you look so pretty.
Come here. Hey, Chicky. You stop, you dumbass.
Yes.
Come here. Come.
Go by mommy. Go by mommy.
And cut.